Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTube. You're here, you're awesome, you made this is a fun place to be. I'm your friend and host, Dan Compton, and welcome back to Dan the Starman. So, we have a really awesome episode for you guys today, so we're going to be starting things off by doing another installment of the reenacting scenes from TV shows and movies. So today we're going to be doing another scene from an awesome show known as 2.5 Men. Plus, it has been a really long time since we've done a scene from 2.5 Men right here on Dan the Starman. So, we're going to be doing the scene known as Alan and Judith's phone argument. So basically this is a scene where Alan has an argument with his ex-wife Judith on the phone about Judith needing a vacation. So and trust me, this is gonna be a really awesome one for you to enjoy. So that being said, let's enjoy the awesome scene of Alan and Judith's phone argument from 2.5 Men. Hope you enjoy, guys. Do you just get up in the morning and figure out ways to make me crazy? Is that what you do? You plot out? How can I make Alan miserable today? How can I reach into his chest, rip out his heart, and suck it dry?
Well, Alan, I always drive you crazy, and I don't have to plan it out because you're an easy target and a foolish freak show. I was right to divorce your glues Maximus in the first place.
Mom or ex-wife? Ex-wife. Hey, Judith. Charlie says hello.
Oh, hey, Charlie.
She says hi. You're evil and crazy, you know that?
This is not any helpful at all to me.
Oh, no. I think that is a helpful feedback. I pay you alimony and child support so that you can have a nice house and a nice car and be working free because I got Jake. And yet, you're telling me you need a vacation?
Yes, I need a vacation because I'm all stressed out.
Oh, really? Really? And what exactly is stressing you out, Judith? Is it the weekly manicure, the housekeeper, the mastopex? The mastopex? Which you paid for? That I paid for? And never got to see? And never got to say!
I don't need to listen to this nonsense. Plus, I live a chaotic lifestyle.
No! You listen to me. I think you live a dang fine lifestyle that I work 60 hours a week to support. So if anyone needs a vacation, it's not you, it's me.
I don't care, Alan. I'm going to Hawaii for a week, and that's final.
Well, alright then. Goodbye. Judith's going to Hawaii for a week. So Jake's trying here during her absence. So. Well, there's a shock. I see. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, hey everyone, welcome back. So, you enjoyed that awesome scene from 2.5 Men. Plus, it was so cool you got to see Judith's side of the phone call as well during the scene. Plus, you enjoyed the awesome scene of Alan and Judith's phone argument from 2.5 Men. It was amazing and so much fun to do. Alright guys, we're going to continue this week's episode by doing another installment of the Disney Entertainment segment, or basically the Disney Treasure Ride the Disney World segment as well. So last week I got the awesome opportunity to enjoy another awesome water park in Disney World. And yes folks, there's more than just one water park in Disney World. So to give you an awesome recap, you saw me doing an awesome full experience from my point of view from all the Disney water park rides in Disney's Type Lagoon right here on Dan the Starman. So this year, I thought it'd be cool if I do an awesome full experience from my point of view in the Disney water park known as Blizzard Beach. So that means let's go to Disney World's Blizzard Beach water park and enjoy the awesome full ride experiences in my point of view. Hope you enjoy, guys. awesome 4 experiences in my point of view of all the Disney water rides and Disney World's Blizzard Beach water park. They were amazing and so much fun to do. Plus, if you're in Disney World in person, I recommend that you do the awesome water park known as Blizzard Beach. Alright guys, well, that's all the time we have for today, everybody. So before we go, how about we take a look at our strikeout again, shall we? What do we got this time? Let's see. Nice, guys. We're at 14.7k subscribers. Looking good, guys. So everyone, I want you all to please keep telling your friends, keep telling everyone you know, all of your hometown, even your schools, even your neighborhoods. Subscribe to my channel, Dan Starn, please. And be sure to please hit the like button right here on Dan Starn, please. So, thank you all for joining me, and I will see you all next week. And until then, I'm Dan Compton, and I'm Dan Starn, everybody. Thank you all very much, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourselves, guys.